probability of A is 13 by 52. Probability of B is 13 by 52. Probability of A intersection B is a null set. So probability of A union B is equal to probability of A plus probability of B. Now what is the meaning? Both will not solve the problem means probability of A dash into probability of B dash. That is nothing but P of A dash into P of B dash. That's it. What is the formula for probability of A by B? Probability of B is A intersection B divided by probability of B. Hello dear students, welcome to this session of basic mathematics class. I am Mr. Niranjan, faculty department of mathematics, Vidhyaashram PU College, the Temple of Excellence. In my previous class, we have discussed regarding problems on complementary events as well as the problems based on the theorems. So problems based on the theorem and the complementary events we have discussed in the previous class. Now today in this session I am going to discuss regarding the problems on mutually exclusive events, problems based on mutually exclusive events, and also the problems based on independent events and the problems based on compound events. So in this session I am going to discuss regarding the problems based on compound events, mutually exclusive events and independent events. Now let us move on to the first problem. Now this is very important for 3 marks. So what is the probability that a card drawn from a pack of playing cards is, there are conditions given. What is the condition? Diamond or a heart. What is the probability of getting diamond or a heart? What is the probability of getting king or a club, spade or a jug, red color or a queen? These are the few questions given here. So a pack means, you know, the possible events. N of S is equal to in a deck of playing cards. How many cards will be there? There are 52 cards. So N of S, the sample space N of S is equal to 52. Now let us move on to the first one, diamond or heart. So this is mutually exclusive event. So here probability of A, diamond, is equal to 13 divided by 52, and queen, that is heart, probability of heart B is equal to, that's also 13 divided by 52. Since the intersection, probability of A intersection B is equal to 0, null set, therefore the probability of getting diamond or a heart is nothing but probability of A union B is equal to probability of A plus probability of B, that's equal to 13 divided by 52 plus 13 divided by 52. 52 is the LCM, 26 divided by 52. So 26 divided by 52. So you can divide it. If you divide, what happens? So 13 twos are, again this is nothing but, so 1, yes, 2 ones are, 2 twos are, 2 threes are 16. Again this is 2 twos are 4. Again 2 6 are 12. 13 by 26, that's equal to 1 by 13. So this is the probability of getting a diamond or a heart. That's it. Hope you followed, right? Now listen. So diamond or a heart is nothing but mutually exclusive events. Mutually exclusive. So therefore probability of A is 13 by 52. Probability of B is 13 by 52. Probability of A intersection B is a null set. So probability of A union B is equal to probability of A plus probability of B. So what is probability of A? 13 divided by 52 plus probability of B is nothing but again 13 divided by 52. 52 is the LCM. This is 13 plus 13, 26. So 26 ones are, 26 twos are. So therefore probability of A union B, that is nothing but probability of a diamond or a heart is equal to 1 by 2. This is the required answer. That's it. The first part is 1 by 2. Hope you followed. Now move on to the second one, king or a club. What is the probability of getting a king or a club? Now here probability of a king or a club. King means probability of A. King is equal to 4 by 52 and club is equal to 13 divided by 52. So P of A is 4 by 52 and P of B is equal to, that is club is equal to 15 by 32. Now what is the intersection here? Now move on to this. So the second one, B, probability of a king is 4 divided by 52 and the probability of a club is equal to 13 divided by 52, and probability of A intersection B is equal to 1 divided by 52. Now, so therefore probability of A union B in this case is equal to probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A intersection B. Probability of A is 4 by 52 plus probability of B is 13 by 52 minus probability of A intersection B is 1 by 52. That's equal to 52 is the LCM. 13 plus 4 is 17 minus 1. So this is 16 divided by 52. Divide it. 16 by 52. Okay. So if you divide by 4, this is equal to 4 4s are 4 13s are. So 4 by 13 is the required probability. Now, see here, very simple concept. Probability of what is the condition? King or a club. So probability of king is A, 4 by 15, club is 13 by 52, and the A intersection B is 1 by 52. So we know probability of A union B is equal to probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A intersection B. 4 by 52 plus 13 by 52 minus 1 by 52. 52 is the LCM. 4 plus 13, 17 minus 1 is 16 divided by 52. That's equal to 4 by 13. Now move on to the next third case, same condition, spade or jug. So if the probability of spade is equal to 13 by 52 and the jug is equal to 4 by 52. That's it. So probability of a spade or a jug. Third one, probability of a spade or a jug. So here probability of A is equal to 13 divided by 52 and probability of B is equal to probability of B is 4 by 52 and the intersection probability of A intersection is 1 by 52. So therefore probability of A union B, that is nothing but spade or a jug, is equal to probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A intersection B. So that is equal to 13 by 52 plus 4 divided by 52 minus 1 by 52. That is nothing but 52 is the LCM. If you simplify, you will get 16. So that is nothing but 4 divided by 13. So the same answer. So for B and C, probability of a king or a club is equal to 4 by 13. Similarly, the probability of a spade or a jack is also equal to 4 by 13. That's it. Now move on to the last one. What is the last condition? Red color or a queen. Okay, red color or a queen. The probability of red or a queen, right? Okay. Now let us consider A as the probability of red. Probability of red is equal to 26 divided by 52. And B, the probability of queen is nothing but 4 divided by 52. Okay, A and B. Probability of A is 26 by 52, that is probability of red color cards, and probability B of queen is 4 by 52. And the intersection of these two, probability of A intersection B is equal to 2 divided by 52. Okay, now just find out same probability of A union B is equal to P of A plus B of B minus B of A intersection B. That's it. Now therefore P of A union B is equal to P of A union B is equal to P of A. P of A is equal to 26 by 52 plus P of B 4 by 52 minus 2 divided by 52. Take LCM. 52 is the LCM. 26 plus 4 minus 2. So that's equal to 30 minus 2. 30 minus 2 is 28 divided by 52. So 28 divided by 52, divide it, you will get the answer. That's it. So if you divide by 4, so 7 4s are 7 13s are. So 7 by 13 is the required probability. So the probability of getting red or queen is 7 by 13. That's it. This is how we are going to solve this problem. Now move on to the next problem. This is also an important problem based on probability of independent events. The probability that Anirudh solves the given problem is 1 by 2, and the probability that Anka solves this problem is 1 by 4. Then the problem is independently tried by them. What is the probability that, what are the conditions given? The problem is solved and both of them solve the problem. Anirudh alone solves the problem. Ankash solves the problem alone, and both do not solve the problem. So these are the given conditions. Now, just what is given? The probability that Anirudh solves the problem. Let us consider P of A is equal to 1 by 2. So suppose if he does not solve the problem, means P of A dash, that is nothing but 1 minus P of A, that is 1 minus 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2. So the probability of solving Anirudh is 1 by 2. Not solving the problem is also 1 by 2. Similarly, the probability of solving the problem by Ankash is B. Let us call it as B. What is the probability? That is equal to 1 by 4. And the probability of not solving the problem by Ankash is 1 minus 1 by 4. 4 ones are 4 minus 1 is 3 by 4. So these are the conditions given. Now just move on to the first condition. What is the first condition? The problem is solved. Problem is solved. So first one is problem is solved. Is the first condition, right? If the problem is solved, means this is nothing but 1 minus P of none of them will solve. None will solve the problem. So that is nothing but 1 minus probability of A dash into probability of B dash. This is 1 minus probability of A dash is 1 by 2 into probability of B dash is 3 by 4. That is 1 minus 3 divided by 8. That's equal to 8 minus 3 by 8. That's equal to 5 by 8. So the probability of solving the problem is 5 by 8 is the first answer. Okay. Just write down the formula as 1 minus probability of none of them will solve the problem, either A or B. That is probability of 1 minus probability of A dash into probability of B dash. That is 1 minus 1 by 2 into 3 by 4 is 1 minus 3 by 8. That's equal to 5 by 8 is the first condition. Okay. Now, next, second one. Both solves the problem. Probability of solving the problem. So, B, both solves the problem. That is, probability of AB is equal to, yes, probability of AB, right? Now, let us go to the second condition. Both of them solves the problem. So probability of both of them will solve the problem is nothing but probability of A into B. That is probability of A into probability of B. That's it. What is probability of A? So probability of A is 1 by 2. Probability of B is 1 by 4. 1 by 2 into 1 by 4. That's equal to 1 by 8. So if both of them will solve the problem, is the probability of solving the problem is 1 by 4 into 1 by 2. That's equal to 1 by 8. Third condition. Anirudh alone will solve the problem. So if Anirudh alone will solve the problem is, so B, that is as Ankash will not solve the problem. So therefore that can be done as probability of A into probability of B dash. That is nothing but probability of A into probability of B dash. So what is probability of A? 1 by 2. What is probability of B dash? 3 by 4. So that's equal to 3 by 8. So probability of solving the problem by Anirudh alone is P of A into B dash. Probability of B dash, that is 1 by 2 into 3 by 4, that's equal to 3 by 8. Next one, Ankash alone will solve the problem. Ankash only will solve the problem means, so the third condition, D, probability of yes, A dash and B, because Ankash will solve the problem, whereas B, that is nothing but A, yes, Ankash will only solve the problem, whereas Anirudh will not solve the problem. So that is denoted as probability of A dash into probability of B. That is nothing but probability of A dash into probability of B. What is probability of A dash? That is nothing but 1 by 2. This is 1 by 2 into probability of B. What is probability of B? 1 by 4. So this is also equal to 1 by 8. So the problem alone solved by Ankash is probability of A dash into B, that is P of A dash into P of B, that is 1 by 2 into 1 by 4 is 1 by 8. Now move on to the last condition, both not solve the problem. Both of them, both, yes, both not solve the problem. both of them will not solve the problem, right? Then what is the probability? Now what is the meaning both will not solve the problem? Means probability of A dash into probability of B dash, that is nothing but P of A dash into P of B dash, that's it. So probability of A dash is equal to 1 by 2 and probability of B dash is 3 by 4. So this is 1 by 2 into 3 by 4, that is also equal to 3 by 8. So the probability of not solving the problem by both A and B is 3 by 8. That's it. Hope you followed. This is how we are going to solve this problem. Now, next, move on to the next problem. So, replacement problem. So, this is also very important. You may expect one question from this replacement problem. Now, what is the problem here? A box contains 8 white chalk and 9 pink chalks. 2 chalks are taken at random from the box. Find the probability that both of them are pink if the 2 chalks are taken out together, and the second condition, the chalks are taken one after the other without replacement. The chalks are taken out one after the other with replacement. One is without replacement, another one is with replacement, and the 2 chalks are taken out together. These are the 3 conditions given, right? Now just write down a box contains how many 8 white chalks and 9 pink chalks. 9 pink, totally 17 chalks are there. So 2 chalks, how many we are going to select? 2 chalks are to be taken. Now what is the favorable outcome? So the total number of here, the 2 chalks are taken out together. First find out the number of possible events. So the number of possible events, the favorable events are 17C2. So this is N of S. N of S is equal to 17C2. Now move on to the first condition. 2 chalks are taken out together. 2 chalks are taken out together. We are going to take 2 chalks. Then what is the probability? Now here, what is the condition? Probability that both of them are pink if the 2 chalks are taken together. How many pink are there? 9. So therefore, the first condition, the probability that the 2 chalks taken out together is how many pink are there? 9C2 divided by 17C2. 9C2 divided by 17C2 will give the probability that 2 chalks are taken out together. Now simplify this. What is the answer? So if we simplify this, this is equal to 9 divided by 34. Now move on to the next one. Second, the chalks are taken one after the other without replacement. Right. Now chalks are taken. So first chalk, let us call the first probability of getting a pink. First one is white. Okay. Now write down the probability of first chalk. First being pink is equal to how many are there? So 9 divided by 17. Second, probability of second is also a pink one. Second being pink is equal to 9 minus 1 is 8 divided by 17 minus 1 is 6. So therefore, probability that the chalks are taken one after the other without replacement is, so therefore the required answer is just multiply this 9 by 17 into 18 by 16. That's it. Okay. So therefore probability of both pink is equal to 9 by 17 into 8 by 16. Simplify this. What is this equal to? This is also equal to 9 by 34. Now move on to the third one. What is the third one? The chalks are taken out one after the other without replacement. So first one is without replacement. Second one is with replacement. Right. So with replacement means, probability of first being pink. First pink is equal to same 9 by 17. Again after replacement you will get the same. So probability of second is also a pink is nothing but 9 by 17. So what is the probability that both chalks are pink? Therefore both chalks are pink. Both are pink with replacement is 9 by 17 into 9 by 17. Simplify this. That's it. Okay. So if you multiply this, you will get 81 divided by 289. 81 divided by 289 is the required answer. That's it. Hope you followed. Okay, this is how we are going to solve this problem. Now move on to the next problem. Now listen to me. So a bag contains how many coins? 10 gold, 10 gold coins, 10 gold and 8 silver coins. Silver coins, 8. Totally 18 coins are there, out of which 2 successive drawing of 4 coins are made. So we are going to select 4 out of these 18. Now first write down the possible unit. N of S, the sample space contains. So first one, the total, therefore the total possible ways. So possible ways is equal to 18C4. This is the possible ways, right? The possible ways. So possible ways, the number of sample space is 18C4. Now move on to the first one. Coins are replaced before second trial. If the coins are replaced, first one, if the coins are replaced, that is, so 4 gold in first drawn and 4 silver in second drawn, right? So 4 gold, how many gold coins are there? That is 10C4 divided by, so 10 and we are selecting 4 divided by 18C4. Similarly, 4 silver in the second, how many silver are there? 8. So that is equal to 8C4 divided by 18C4. Now therefore probability of getting gold coin and silver coins is equal to, just multiply these two, that is 10C4 divided by 18C4 into 8C4 divided by 18C4. This is the probability of getting gold and silver coin. Now move on to the second case. What is the second case? Coins are not replaced. So this is without replacement. Second one, coins are not replaced. That means without replacement, right? Now first, here the probability of getting same. First 4 gold, yes, 4 gold coins in the first draw is 10C4. 4 silver coins in the second is 8C4, right? So first 4 gold in first drawn is equal to 4 gold in the first drawn is same, that is 10C4 divided by 18C4, right? That is without replacement. So since here without replacement, so 4 coins are taken away from the 18. What is the remaining? Then it is 14. So therefore the probability of getting silver in the second drawn is, probability of getting 4 silvers in second drawn is, we have taken 4 out from the 18. So that's equal to 8C4 divided by 14C4. That's it, right? Just multiply it. So therefore probability of 4 gold or 4 silver without replacement is, just multiply 10C4 divided by 18C4 into 8C4 divided by 14C4. That's it. This is how we are going to solve this problem. Hope you followed. Now move on to the next problem. What is the problem? A card is drawn from a pack of 52 playing cards. What is the probability that the card is king given the card is red? This is very simple problem. So just what is to find here is the probability that the card is king given the card is red. Given card is red. Okay. Now let us represent P of A, probability of A as red and the probability of B as king. This is red card and the king card. Okay. So probability of red, that is equal to 26 divided by 52. And how many king cards? That is 4 divided by 52. So probability of A is 26 by 52. Probability of B is 4 divided by 52. Right. Now therefore probability of A intersection B. Probability of A intersection B is equal to 2 divided by 52. Right. Because the king card of diamond and the heart are found to be red. Right. The king card of diamond and heart is red. So therefore, here the probability of A is 26 by 52, probability of B is 4 by 52, and probability of intersection B is equal to 2 by 52. Now probability of, so what is to find therefore? Probability of king given the card is red. So this is denoted as probability of king card given that A is red means probability of B by A. That's it. You know what is the formula for probability of B by A? Probability of A intersection B divided by probability of A. That's equal to probability of A intersection B is 2 divided by 52 divided by probability of A is 26 divided by 52. These two gets cancelled. 1 by 13 is the probability. That's it. Okay. Now listen to me. Very simple problem. A card is drawn from a pack of 52 playing cards. So therefore, what is the probability that the card is king given that it is red? So probability of A is 26 by 52 because probability of red card. Similarly, probability of B is nothing but the king. 4 kings are there. 4 by 52. The intersection A intersection B is equal to 2 by 52. Since you know the king card of diamond and heart is red, so here, so what is to find the king, and given that the card is red is nothing but the probability of king given that it is already red, already A occur means probability of B by A. What is the formula for probability of B by A? Probability of A intersection B divided by probability of A, that is 2 by 52 divided by 26 by 52, that's equal to 1 by 13. Now move on to the next problem. So straight away the given problem is probability of A is 1 by 4, probability of B is 2 by 5, A union B is 1 by 2, probability of A intersection B is to be determined. Okay, what is the formula for probability of A by B? Probability of B is A intersection B divided by probability of B. Now what is A intersection B? Find out. Probability of A intersection B is equal to probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A union B. So probability of A is 1 by 4, probability of B is 2 by 5 minus A union B is equal to 1 by 2. Simplify this. So what is the answer you are going to get? Just simplify this. So what is the LCM? Just take the LCM for these two and simplify. So what is the LCM? Just 20 is the LCM. So 24 5s gets cancelled. 5 2s are yes. 5 4s are 4 2s are 8 minus 10. So that's equal to yes, 5 plus 8. 5 plus 8 is 13 minus 10. 13 minus 10 divided by 20, that's equal to 3 by 20. So the probability of intersection B is 3 by 20. Substitute here. So this is 3 divided by 20 divided by probability of B is 2 by 5. So this is 3 by 20 into 5 by 2. So 5 4s gets cancelled. 3 divided by 8 is the required probability. That's it. Okay. See a very simple problem. So probability of A by B is probability of A intersection B by probability of B. Just find out first probability of A intersection B. P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. 1 by 4 plus 2 by 5 minus 1 by 2. Take LCM, 20 is LCM. We'll get 3 by 20. Substitute here 3 by 20 divided by 2 by 5. That's equal to 3 by 8 is the required answer. Hope you followed. Now move on to the next problem. Now very important and simple problem. So these are few problems based on the given concept. So that's all regarding today's session. Let us meet with a different concept in the next session. Thank you. Thank you very much.